Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're back in the metal market today after gold and silver have hit a little bit of consolidation. We'll start on gold first of all today after it did dip towards the 1960 level, and that was after it hit some resistance just below 2000 a couple of sessions ago at the back end of last week. So as we progress into the new week, obviously we've got the European Central Bank interest rate decision, which is the big news this week. Next week we've got the Fed interest rate decision as well as the NFP figures, so this could really start shaking up the dollar and gold in particular. But now, as I said, we're just finding a little bit of consolidation in the metal market, and I've got it on the daily chart first of all today because I just want to see the big progression in gold, and it wasn't really a big shock in the market that we were heading towards 2000 after the recent geopolitical tensions that have been happening over the last couple of weeks. And as these tensions obviously get more and more and there's more uncertainty in the market, naturally gold traders do emerge and gold is traded on quite significantly. But we didn't really reach the heights of over 2000 just yet. So are we waiting for another move up to that particular level? Well, if we go and look on the charts at the moment, I just wanted to point out that because we broke the last previous kind of resistance zone at 1950, a big psychological factor there. There wasn't really any doubt that we were going to start pushing another $40 to $50 to the upside at least. But now we are very overbought on the RSI and the other stochastics as well. So we're just seeing now, if we bring it onto the 4-hour chart, where we are likely to be seeing the best moves in the market. And like I said, we are consolidating nicely now. There's a couple of false spikes up to 2000 and just one touching below just at 1960. But now we're just waiting to see if this particular area here is going to have a breakout. It's kind of a bit of a symmetrical triangle forming here. Will we get another test at 2K, or will we start moving below the previous big psychological break at 1950? So that's just a bit of a $20 to $30 swing. Not too much in a given day, that's for sure, since we've been looking in the last few trading sessions that we've had big swings of over $50 in one day. So this is really something we have to keep an eye out for. And obviously in the last 2 weeks, a move of over $100 when gold was languishing below 1900. Now it's sitting pretty just below 2000. So it is looking likely we will possibly see another test up to 2000, but obviously we'll keep you updated if and when that does happen. Now, a quick look on silver, because again, the metal markets have really had their fair share of movement in the last few weeks, and obviously silver hasn't really been as buoyant, as progressive as gold, but it is still something to keep an eye out for if you're looking at trading opportunities. Obviously, we're looking on signals and divergences on the RSI and things like this, but there hasn't really been something to really get excited about. Silver's just done this V-shaped recovery now. It's hit some resistance at the previous swing high, just above, just below $24. Will we have another particular move by then? We'll have to wait and see, but it's looking likely that we are having a bit of a consolidation and we could have a slight correction in the metal market before a possible another move higher. But if we look on the 4-hour chart like we usually do, just intraday analysis, as you can see here, nice and steady for silver, really seeing this impulse, these waves moving higher and higher. Now we're into another correction before possibly seeing another move towards the $24 area. If that does happen, then we could easily see $25 before the end of the week. So this is just something we're keeping an eye out for in the next few trading sessions. So as usual, we'll post this video on our YouTube and Telegram channels and keep you updated with all the big moves in the market, all the big swings. Not too much in the fundamentals this time around today. However, we'll keep you posted if anything major does happen and if there's any big moves in the metal markets. So thank you very much for joining me, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.